Morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, let's begin then with Cipla. It's fairly important news for the company as they have settled their litigation with Celgene Corporation and the wholly owned subsidiary Bristol Myers Squibb. This is relating to patents for Revlimid. Now, you've got a lot of brokerages which have reacted to this news. Credit Suisse maintains an outperform with a target at 885, saying that Revlimid litigation is likely to bring in $300 million of cash flows, and the settlement is a huge positive surprise. They believe that Cipla's settlement does not impact the Revlimid potential for Dr. Reddy's, and they do not expect any price erosion to change with Cipla's entry. Nomura has a buy rating with an 861 rupee target price, saying Cipla is the fourth generic filer to settle the Revlimid litigation, and it can have an upside of 42 rupees per share. You've got Citi, which has a buy with a target price at 860. Meantime, JSPL, that stock too is in focus in today's trading session, and that's largely on the back of the news that they announced a 15% growth in their standalone crude production or production of crude steel at 6.14 lakh tons for the month of November. They had produced close to 5.33 lakh tons of crude steel in the last month, and on a standalone basis they said that that the company during the month review also rose about 5.6 lakh tons from 5.57 lakh tons, and that was a rise of about 1% on a month-on-month basis. The management also said that with the domestic markets recovering, they are focusing more on value-added products. Eclerx, the company is in focus as they are going to acquire a 100% stake in Eclipse Global Holdings. The enterprise value stands at about $34 million. Watch out for ICICI Pru as well, as the AUM or the assets under management has crossed 2 lakh crore in its 20th year. The company started its operations 20 years ago in the issuance of policies, and they had an AUM of about 100 crores in 2001 and grew to 50,000 crores in 2010, and subsequently the company is the first in the insurance industry now to achieve an AUM of 1 lakh crore in February 2015. And they say that, in fact, they were the first life insurance company as well to list on the national stock exchanges, and they have been adopting very stringent investment philosophies and has had no NPAs since their inception. Remember, the company is promoted by ICICI Bank and Prudential Corp Holdings and has consistently been among the top private sector life insurance companies in India. Meantime, we've got BEL, which is on Morgan Stanley's radar. They maintain an overweight with a 143 rupee target price. I think the risk reward has been updated. The Q2 numbers were a big beat compared to expectations. The management provided strong guidance, maintaining 10 to 15% growth. And the FY21 management has guided for 15,000 crore order inflow. And it's the best way to play India's indigenization